Okay, day 3 of the 90-day challenge. Again, I'm gonna have French toast today, just like I did yesterday. I'm recording every single time I use the machine. Okay, so we get started. I always use the Perfect Blend scale and app because I can't remember anything, so this makes it very easy. Alright, I'm still going to use my bread. Actually, let me get a plate too. Alright, there we go. My knife. My bread loaf. Okay. Again, normally this recipe is for white bread, but I baked this bread. It's 100% whole wheat. Very good, very nutritious, and very dense. See, it's almost, just that is almost the is the weight of 2 slices of regular bread you buy at the store. Regular ass bread, as the recipe for this calls for. That's just little bits and pieces that were stuck to the pan before. Throw them in. Okay. Yeah, pretty heavy. Just okay. Next, the egg whites. I can already tell the recipe's not going to come out perfect, but I don't care. It's just the morning. I don't even know why I'm putting that plate in the bag. I don't function well in the morning. This is why I need the app all the time. I don't function well in the kitchen. That's why I use the app all the time. Okay, so take this off, put the cup on. Blades are ready. Egg whites, I'm probably gonna need another one. Yeah, that's empty. Okay. I have grown to love these egg whites in a carton. Very awesome, very convenient, and very good. I used to be 100% against them, but not anymore. Okay, some stevia, which I have right here. My knife to the side. Stevia is right there. One spoon of that. Cinnamon. I have my coffee ready. So by the time I'm done with all this, have a nice cup of coffee. Maybe I'll put some Greek yogurt on it. We'll see. Some vanilla for flavor. A little more. There we go. All right. I said, where's Vitamix? It doesn't work. It's so hard to use. Come on, there we go. I haven't had any issues so far. Just general mixing. All right, it's mixed up. This is almost ready. Now I just take this and pour it into the bowl and let the bread soak it up, and then I throw it in the pan. Then I'll clean this up, and that'll be the end of the Vitamix's job for the day. Well, not for the day, but for this breakfast. I'm gonna make a pancake batter probably tomorrow, and it'll use the machine a little bit more. So I'm gonna clean up. People say it's hard to clean. It's clean. I feel like I gotta show that every time because it's really nothing in the threads, nothing. It's good. All right, I'm just gonna cook this up, but basically I'm done with the video. Machine's done.